Sunday, June 6th, 1943. Hi, folks. Here's a fat stuff back again. My, what a meal. Meatloaf, potatoes, peas, corn, lettuce, and tomatoes, salad, milk, bread and butter, and Jell-O. Oh, yes. Ketchup and pepper and salt. I think I gained a couple of extra pounds. When they feed you good in the Army, it is really good. And when they feed you bad, they do that very bad. I say, how is the potato situation? Or do you want me to send you some? Say, babe, I hope you got my letter, which I wrote after my furlough. You didn't send me a letter saying so. How about dropping me a short little note saying you love me or something? He actually spells it S-U-M-P-I-N. It's adorable. Saying you love me or something. Like you're on a diet so I can laugh, ha. Did you lose weight, chubby? And in parentheses, he writes, that's better than fat stuff, like right here. You can see the word fat stuff. So adorable. Okay, did you lose any weight, chubby? That's better than fat stuff. Since I came back to camp? How's my pal? Have you got the upper hand over the women yet? If not, let me know and I'll come back and teach them a lesson. How about you dropping me a line too? Say, babe, I hear you backed over a trolley. Who's fresh? Me. That's a lie. You ought to be more careful running around and doing things like that. Did you sue the trolley company? Seriously now, how are you? I hope you didn't hurt yourself or the trolley. There's a little dash and it says, no matter what you just called me, my wife will tell me and then protect my name. So be careful. Tell Ma and Pa to take care of themselves too. Well, folks, it's time to go now, for the lights will be put out soon, and then I can't write. And now my constant prayer will be that God may keep you safe for me. With love, your son, Lee. P.S. Better start writing, or I won't send you any potatoes. P.S.S. No matter what or how the Army feeds me, I still like your cooking best, Mom. Lee.